We are Lithium Designers. We are from Frankfurt, and what we offer is the planning of freeform complex facade structures. We utilize 3D printing and parametric design to automate the planning processes for complex facades and building envelopes. So we managed to move the process from design to manufacturing in one stage. So we save time and money during the whole process. We look forward to build up our network. We look forward to have interesting discussions with experts from the field as well. We had already a couple of really decent discussions, and we look forward for more cooperations and maybe possible projects as well. We try to establish our brand and our product as well worldwide at the moment, and I found this is an amazing chance to get into such an event and get it close to such international community and be able to spread the words about our innovation and our technology. Last year I was in Helsinki and I pitched the company, and then I got in contact with the organizer of GPD, and we had a bit of more discussions and information about how it would be beneficial for us as well to be part of it and to integrate or to present our work because it's a really state-of-the-art what we're doing so far, and we have a decent position worldwide, and we found this is as a perfect chance for us as well to spread the words more and get this idea more international way. And as well, anyway, the reputation about GPD is pretty stable. We already know this during my PhD studies. I've been pretty well informed about how the event and its reputation and how strong it is in the glass and facade business worldwide. Our vision in Lithium Designers is to offer the world this new way of planning projects to fill that gap between architects and engineers with an interdisciplinary team. So what we can offer is that we remove this pain in the discussions between architects and engineers, and we try to integrate this into one unit. So we start from design to directly to manufacturing in one closed cycle, and this just helps a lot helps a lot to eliminate a huge problems and complex that is already known. And we eliminate all this complex and problems, and we offer the architects and even owners and developers a new possibility to realize such freeform geometries in a cost-effective way and a really fast way, and as well with a minimum risk for mistakes. This month we are 5 years old. We collected over 16 different awards. We reached top 10 Germany Founder Award 2021, over 560 startups in Germany, and we feel that we're really at that last stage before our breakthrough.